Good morning, I am AJ and I'll explain the following topics such as the peripheral nervous system and central nervous system. The central nervous system, or CNS, according to the medical news today, consists of brain and spinal cord. CNS process the information or signals brought by PNS. The signals came from our different senses that was brought by PNS are speedily processed by the central nervous system. The brain is part of CNS. That's why every signal can be processed and can be turned into action or responses or results. Remember, central nervous system is all about number 1, receiving sensory information. Number 2, processing information. Number 3, sending out motor signal for proper response or action. And this is according to Very Well Mind website. And from the bird's eye view, in central nervous system, there is the brain, which is divided into 4 lobes from left and right hemisphere. First is, of course, the frontal lobes. Second is occipital lobe. Third is parietal lobe. And fourth is temporal lobe. In short, the brain is a crucial part of central nervous system because it mainly controls many functions such as body movements, cognition, memory, and thought. And of course, on the other hand, the spinal cord are composed of nerves, which is classified into 5 groups, which is cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal. Next is the peripheral nervous system. According to Beaumont, the PNS carries information from receptors in our senses, from our skin, sight or visual in our eye, taste in our tongue, hearing in our ears, of course, and smell from our nose. In addition, the role of PNS is to connect the CNS to the organs, limbs, and skin according to the Very Well Mind website. Without the PNS who carries information to the CNS, of course, there will be no results or responses because the CNS receives no signal from the PNS. It's like PNS is all about connecting and sending signal, while CNS is all about receiving, processing, and sending response. PNS is divided into 2 parts. It is somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic this is for voluntary movements or skeletal, such as movements, muscles such as walking or smiling. And autonomic nervous system, this is for the regular function of our organ or our glands. Example like a blood flow, heartbeat, digestion, and of course our breathing. And autonomic nervous system is also divided into 2 parts, the sympathetic system and parasympathetic system. This sympathetic system is all about regulating the fight or flight response, fast heartbeat, increased breathing. That's sympathetic system. And parasympathetic system is all about calming or turning our body to the normal state, slow heartbeat or slow breathing. Moreover, peripheral nervous system is crucial because it carries vital signals from receptors across our bodies so that CNS may process these signals. But according to Beaumont again, a significant difference between PNS and CNS can be identified in this information, such as that parts of PNS can be healed or regenerated to their original state. But if CNS is damaged or destroyed, regeneration or healing is not possible and physical changes may be permanent, such as paralysis or different in breathing, difficulties in walking, difficulties in moving the head or our leg. And this is my video explaining the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Thank you po and God bless.